How should you lay out your presentation to deliver the perfect punch? Well, there is a basic presentation layout that I have always used and found to be very effective. It breaks up your presentation into 3 distinct parts: the beginning, the middle, and the end. And it ensures the right content goes into each part. A good beginning should have an introduction of yourself, the question or the subject matter, and then the short answers to the question. The beginning is also a great place to share a thought, a quote, a hypothetical question, or a statistic that will get people thinking about your presentation. The middle is where you provide the details and the explanations of each of your short answers or main points, and the evidence to support each point if necessary. Remember to infuse some of the principles of influence here, and also to use powerful transitions as you move from one point to another. The end of your presentation should always summarize the important points and end with a call to action based on the purpose and the objective of your presentation.